Hello friends, with little efforts you can easily inculcate this heavenly habit. Many studies show that who wake up early tend to be more happier and live longer. Also this habit is found in all ancient religions. In Ayurveda it is mentioned that the whole universe is filled with mysterious cosmic energy in the Brahma Muhurta. This energy can be sipped through your body very smoothly if you are awake. Your crown chakra is wide open in early morning, and this is the gateway for the cosmic flow. Hence your subconscious mind is easily accessible at this time. Adopting this habit will give you many benefits. I'll explain here three important ones. The first one is productive time. Early risers have the benefits of being fit their workout in and plan ahead for the day. I generally woke up at 5 am and go for a walk with my friends, play badminton, yoga followed by a few pages of reading. Everyone wishes that we should get extra time, and it can be only possible if you set your alarm an hour or two earlier than usual. The second benefit is deep focus. As there is no daily clutters early morning, we can set deep focus on important tasks. Brain tend to be more alert in the morning. If you are able to focus without interruption, you'll get more work done. Research by Texas University has identified that scholars who were early risers got better grades than those who were late to rise. The third benefit is better quality of sleep. People who wake up early tend to go bed early and enjoy better quality of sleep. Adequate and consistent sleep of 10 hours improves blood pressure, immune system, improves mood, as well as it is important for basic brain function. Quality sleep lets your body and brain repair, restore and re-energize. On the other hand, people who stay up late are more likely to develop sleep disorders and be regularly fatigued. Now let's see three tactics to wake up early. The first one is alarm. I usually set up alarms without snooze and put the alarm clock mobile in adjoining room. You can also put alarm where you could not easily grab it while you are in sleep. This arrangement will force you to wake up at desired time. One of my childhood friend fixed the alarm clock in cupboard, as this arrangement forces him to unlock the cupboard and thereby helping him to awake at the desired time. The second trick is to get help from mobile applications. There are many applications available in App Store, Play Store, which will help you to wake up at desired time. You need to perform certain tasks for turning off the alarm. The tasks range from math riddles, scanning QR codes, capturing photo of specific things, or spinning the mobile while you stand up. The third tactic is to team up with friends and reward yourself. These tactics help me a lot to inculcate waking up early. This puts up you under social pressure and encourages you to wake up early. Here you need to team up with friends, wife or colleague who also have similar goals. Also reward yourself whenever you wake up early in the morning. It encourages you. For myself, 15 minutes walk in nature is my reward. I hope you find this video helpful for your continuous improvement. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell button so that you'll get notified. Thank you for watching.